In my one block video, I built this auto block breaker, so here's a little tutorial on how it works. So here's the farm sort of on its own. So this is where the one block will be spawning. Starts off by activating this lever here. Just goes up into a little observer clock. So let's say the obsidian spawns and the pistons can't move it anymore. I've got this little pressure plate here that I stand on, and it will retract this block back, which then makes this power off. So then when you mine it, you don't have the chance of accidentally mining this piston as well when it reactivates itself. So we mine it, pop off, and it reactivates. Then coming down, we've got this simple little piston pusher. So the block goes on top of this wall, which then updates. This observer detects it, and the piston pushes it. And then it's very similar concept for this side. So they come along here, go into sticky pistons. I don't know why, I just found something online that says they should be sticky pistons. And this is where it starts forming into like the shape where they'll get blown up. So this all fills up here. And then once a block goes over this redstone torch, it powers this note block. The observer detects it and it pushes all the stuff along. So it goes like that. And you can even make it sound nice. So you'll see that this block here, when we put it here, powers this, which powers this redstone dust, which then pushes all of these pistons down. So it goes like that. And you'll see that the center is staying where it is and the outside is going down. That is because coming up here, we then have this dispenser in the middle filled with TNT. When it's dispensed, it goes through this block because as you can see, dispenser's there. So it goes through here and then drops down onto this fence. So we just basically leave these middle blocks here. The way how that then gets activated is that when a block goes here, a signal goes up to this target block, which then makes an item go through this little hopper clock. So after 3 activations, it then activates 1 bit of TNT, which is what I found to be a half decent ratio of like using TNT and blowing stuff up. But there is one problem with this, because this is the setup that I had in the video. But one problem was if this block here is glowstone, which can sometimes happen, because this is transparent, it doesn't power up this redstone dust here. So to fix that, all we have to do, get ourselves a wall, observer, and then we just power that. And now, if we replace this, you'll see it actually gets activated and goes down. And then I'll show you how the blocks actually get collected. So we'll just run this a little bit and you'll see how it works. So there goes TNT. So this will blow up everything. And then all of this gets collected into a water stream. It then goes up and then just gets automatically sorted into chests. I didn't use this much chest in the video, but you can add this many if you want. You can also upgrade this by adding like an item sorter or auto crafters, and yeah, I just kept it basic though. And that is the basic idea of how this farm works. It's not amazing because you need to manually mine some ancient debris if it gets too built up down here, and the obsidian of course, but apart from that, it really speeds up the progress.